Hi everyone, Jennifer from Tarle Speech. I have a great pair of words today. Rival, which means a competitor, and libel, which means defamation. I was reading an article with some students this week and these words came up and it was a very great discussion because the sounds in these words are commonly switched by some different speakers from certain language backgrounds. So we have the word again, rival and libel. So rival and libel. We're going to stress syllable number 1 in both of these words. So that's kind of done. All right. For the R in rai, you are not going to touch your teeth with the tip of your tongue. The tip of your tongue is either going to be pointing down or flipped back. For the L in libel, the tip of your tongue is touching the spot where your teeth meet the skin on the roof of your mouth. So we have rai and lie. Here's another commonly confused pair of sounds, the V, v, and the B, b. For the B, lips are closed, b. For the V, your lips need to be slightly opened. Your teeth are going to touch either the inside or the outside of that bottom lip, but air needs to keep moving out. V, v, v. So then we're going to end with super quick sound, and then move to that L. Hold your L there. Hold that tongue to that spot where your teeth meet the skin on the roof of your mouth for just an extra second to make sure that sound is long enough. Let's try these all together. Rival, 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 rival. Now, libel, 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 libel. Rival, libel, rival, libel. And now for a sentence. To date, his rival has not sued him for libel. Give it a try. I know people will notice the difference. Thanks so much for all of your support with your likes and your shares and your comments. Keep them coming. If you're looking for help, we'd love to help you more. I have classes and products. All of that information enlisted in my link tree in the description below. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.